Hi guys, this is Felisa here with Homebody. In this video, I'm showing you guys briefly what I've done to my home office for the spring. Now, the lighting in my home office is off when it comes to doing videos and some pictures. So I have some still shots here for your viewing, and I do have some short clips of the room and some videos. So if you have not subscribed to Homebody, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up while you're at it, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.